Firm plank position. Slowly start to press back into downward dog. When you feel tension in the back, bend your knees so that the chest comes closer to your thighs, and then shift it forward to plank again. Very slowly shifting back, bending the knees so that your chest can come closer to the thighs. Then press the heels down and shift it forward to plank, shoulders over the wrists. Pushing the ground away, pressing back, chest to the thighs, heels press down, and slowly shift it forward to plank. Do it again. Shift it back to down dog, heart down towards the ground, knees bent. Press the heels down and then shift it forward